Yo, what's up guys, Jordan here, aka Timepiece Legend. In today's video I'm gonna unbox the 3 new G-Squad models of Casio G-Shock. It is the new GBD-100 series, the 1A7ER, the 4A1ER and the 1ER. The watches come in a grey camo box, and in the box you will find the international warranty card and an instruction book for the 3481 caliber. And here it is, the new Casio G-Shock G-Squad series. All the models have a 3481 caliber, which means it has a lot of functions. First, you've got a time and a date. There's a workout function, a stopwatch function, and you can also track your activity. You can also receive notifications because the watch can be connected with your phone. The G-Shock has a battery life of 2 years. The strap is made of resin and has a bandwidth of 26mm. The case has a diameter of 48.6mm and is 15.5mm thick. The watch weighs 69 grams and they all have a mineral glass. This watch is not only a running watch but also a great diving watch, due to the fact it is 20 bar water resistant and it has a very reliable LED function. If you're interested in one of our models, I've got some great news for you. We have all 3 models left in our stock. Check it out. Link is in our description. If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you like G-Shocks. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us.